Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, today we will continue block 14 parallels and meridians and we will study topic 3rd today. Be ready with all your essentials. First, we will discuss about lines of longitude that we have studied yesterday. These are imaginary lines. These lines run through North Pole to South Pole and there are total 360 longitude. What is the other name of longitude? Other name of longitude is meridians, and other name of latitude, lines of latitude, it is also called parallels. Parallels and meridians. And there are 360 longitudes because they are numbered from 0 to 180. If we go from the front side to the back side on a globe, we need to number them from 0 to 180 in eastern hemisphere and 0 to 180 in western hemisphere. So that's why there are 360 longitudes. And in case of latitude, we need to number them till 0 to 90 because of their shape. So there are 0 to 90 parallels or lines of latitude in northern hemisphere and 0 to 90 in southern hemisphere. So there are total 180 latitudes. So lines of parallels or lines of longitude help us to know the location of a place located in eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. There are two important lines of longitude. They are called prime meridian and international date line. So let's start today's topic. Here is the keyword from today's topic. Uniform time means not changed time or same in all cases. Now if you have globe at your home or if you have drawn all the things on a ball, so you need to shine the torch directly on the middle of the ball in which you have drawn all the longitudes and latitudes. When we shine the torch directly on the middle of the ball, you can see that equator and Arctic, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn will get the most amount of sunlight. Okay, and Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle will get the less amount of sunlight, and North and South Pole will get the least amount of sunlight. As we move towards the pole, as we go upward or downward, the amount of sunlight will decrease. Okay, so, and as we know, the earth rotates from west to east like this. In this picture, you need to imagine the earth rotates like this. Okay, this west to east means here this number will go in backward counting. First sunlight 80 degree will get the sunlight, then 70, then 60, like this, because of the movement of the earth from west to east. Okay, now think and answer that what will be the time at 60 degree east, morning, evening, night or afternoon, when it is facing the sun directly. What will be the time at 60 degree east? Here this is eastern hemisphere what will be the time here? Evening, afternoon. And next question is, which longitude will experience noon after 60° east? What do you think? When Earth rotates from west to east, which longitude will get the sunlight after 60° and what will be the time at 60° east? So, there will be noon at 60° east. Okay? It will be noon at 60° east when it faces the sun directly. Because it is faces the sun directly means midday, means afternoon. And if Earth is rotating like this, like from west to east, so this part will go upward and after 60, 50 will come. 50° east will experience afternoon. Okay? Because Earth is moving from west to east. So, each line of longitude will face the direct sunlight one by one. Direct sunlight means there will be noon one by one. Okay, their sun will, the place one by one, the place will face the sun directly and there will be noon at that time. 12 o'clock of noon. The exposure to sunlight decides the local time of a place located at different lines of longitude. Local time, that depends on the sun or on the moon, on the movement of sun and the moon. That is called local time. Like instead of saying 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, we can easily simply say evening, noon and night. This is called local time. And local time is different in each place because each place will get sunlight at different time. So this is called local time. And the exposure to sunlight decides the local time of a place. So do you think all places in a country can do their work on time if they follow the local time, which is based on the amount of sunlight each place get? Do you think all serial will come on time and every state in India can watch the same serial on the same time if they follow the local time? No, it is not possible. If we set our clock according to the local time or according to the sunlight, we can't be punctual and all states in a country would not be able to do their work on the same time, or we cannot watch the things in television at the same time in different states. So this is called local time. That depends on the movement of sun and moon. So we follow a standard time and today we will learn about that. Standard time is same for all the states in one country, all the places in one country. So today's topic is local time and standard time. Write topic name in good handwriting. Write LP3 block 14. Be ready with all your essentials. Our aim for today is to be able to identify local time, the difference between local time and standard time, and the need for standard time. Okay? Why we need a standard time, why we can't follow local time. So now open your worksheet S3. Those who don't have worksheet, you can take help of this picture. Pause the video here and you need to read the story and answer the question. Okay? Read the story. Pause the video, take your time, read the story, underline important things, come back again and answer my questions. So my questions are, where does Surya live and where does Asma live? So Asma live in Asma lives in Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, while Surya lives in Gujarat. And what is the local time difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? There is a local time difference of about 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay? Now answer, what advice did Surya's mother give him? Surya's mother advised him to follow the standard time and not the local time, because there is 2 hours difference between the time of Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. There is a difference because sunrise and sunsets in the difference of 2 hours in these both states. Okay, that's why there is a difference, because these states get the sunlight at different times because they are located very far from each other. One is located in west side and one is located in east side. So that's why there is a difference. Now answer, why do we need the standard time? Why can't we follow the local time in all places? So the local time of each place varies with its longitude. We can follow the local time of our place, but this can cause problems when we have to communicate with people. That's why Surya and Asma were not able to come online at the same time, because they were following their local time. And this can cause problems when we have to communicate with people living at different longitudes. And therefore, to avoid confusion, people within a country follow one standard time. So India is a country and India has a standard time, and every state follow that standard time. Local time of a place is the time of its meridian or longitude. Okay, each place has its own local time because each longitude get the same amount of light but at the different time. But all the places located in one longitude will get the same amount of light at the same time. But if places are located in different longitude, they will get sunlight one by one. So local time of a place is the time of its meridian, and each place has its own local time. When it is noon, the local time is 12 o'clock, and by this 12 o'clock they can count, and this is the local time of a place. All places on a meridian has same local time. Okay, all places on the same meridian has same local time. And what is standard time? Standard time is the time of central meridian of an area, means prime meridian. All places have a uniform time, means not changed. Time can't be changed. Uniform time, which can't be changed. It has no relation with moon or height of the sun. All places in same region have the same standard time. There is no change in time, so it is known as standard time. That's why we can watch shows in television at the same time in each state of a country. And every country has its own standard time. India has different standard time. This is called Indian Standard Time. Okay, and there is a, as we have studied, international date line. So, and the prime meridian, and in 1884 the meridian running through Greenwich Park in London was recognized as the prime meridian for a uniform time reference, means for a same or not changing time reference. Okay, so it is located in Greenwich Park in London. This prime meridian means a special meridian is located here, which is called Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, and The time at the prime meridian is used as a base to calculate the time for different countries on the basis of their longitude. So every country has their own standard time, but it is based on GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. So India also has its own standard time, which is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So Indian Standard Time, India has recognized the local time of 82.5 degree east longitude as the Indian Standard Time. It is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. And Greenwich Mean Time is a base to calculate time for other countries. Like mineral is a base to make different materials. Similarly, Greenwich Mean Time is like mineral or base time to calculate the time for other countries. Okay. This is local time of 82.5 degree east longitude is Indian Standard Time, and it is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Now answer. Some countries have more than one standard time. How do you think people there deal with this? Because of the size of a country. Like it is written in Did You Know that Russia has 9 time zones due to its vast area which extends from east to west. So because of its size, some countries have more than one standard time. So people need to keep them informed about the time at each place within the country. Only this is the solution. Here people deal like this. They inform each other about the time in each place within the country. Okay. So this is question of the day for you. In which year the meridian running through Greenwich Park in London was recognized as the prime meridian for a uniform time reference? Answer this question in the comment section. When the time of a place is calculated by its noon time, it is known as. And here it is your writing work. Do PQ 1, 5 and 7. Complete your S3. Study next topic of block 14. Worksheet picture is already given. If you have any doubt, please ask. Take care everyone. God bless.